Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. It is a series I do once a week where I use all SheModern products except the bling. This week we are using some of the jelly water paints. While playing with these, I have got the pink fuchsia, purple lavender, yellow lemon, lime green, and last but not least, the blue ocean. So let me set these off to the side here. I have put one coat on each nail. I have let those dry and they air dry, so it takes a while. You want to put thin, even coats. I have got 4 nails almost, well, 3 nails completely finished. I'll show you those later. The 4th nail, I'm going to add some bling onto it. This nail we are going to do all the decals start to finish along with any bling I may add. But there are 1 coat of the lemon yellow. I think that turned out really beautiful. It is streak free. It did level itself out. And I think that is a nice, vibrant, pigmented jelly water paint. You can get those on SheModern.com. So now we are going to take my glue gel, which is for, oh, let me see here, I can't see it. Pigment glitter for dry coloring, I think it says. But this is what I use to hold on decals, the glitters, the pigments. So I'm going to put 1 coat on here. And then we're going to pop it in the lamp. So I'm going to pop that in, give that a cure. We are going to be using the decals I have set off to the side here. They are black. So I'm using those. I may draw in the stems with some black from Diva in a Bottle. Can't go wrong with Diana's line. So check out divainabottle.com for your nail polish needs. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. And I would greatly, greatly appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. It helps with my algorithm. It lets people know that my videos are being watched. Oh no, Batman. We've got a problem with this. Got a problem. A slight problem. I don't know if this is gonna work. It kind of curled up on me. So there we go. We applied it on the nail, even though it flipped itself on me. So I'm wiping off my stamper. Could have been too wet, but this decal did flip on the stamper. So there we got that one on. Sometimes the backing comes off with. Just slide it off. Dab your stamper off on something, whoops, lint free. And apply it to the nail. You can take your silicone tool. There should be no air or water bubbles because we use the nail glue that it kind of erases that problem. you don't have to worry about, you just need to be positive where you're putting your decal because it is a glue. So, let me get me another palette. We are going to get some of the black out. And I'm going to draw in a stem, I think. I'm going to attempt to. We're going to load up our brush halfway up. You do not want to go no more than that. And there we go. That's what we're doing for that one. Definitely want to get you a lint-free wipe, some isopropyl alcohol to clean your brush. Right now I'm just going to wipe it off. And remove my palette. So we're going to stick this in the lamp. We're going to give that a quick cure because I did use gel black to do the lines or the stems. I'm going to be using iMethod's top coat. We're giving this another whirl. I tried this out on Thursday with the manicure that I did, which was this one right here. It is glossy. Can't say it's not. It cured quickly. Leveled out real nice. So we're going to be trying this again on our manicure for today. So, here's our complete set. We'll bring it a little bit closer so you can see. This is the Blue Ocean, the Lemon Yellow, Pink Fuchsia, Lime Green, and Lavender Purple. Lavender Purple did not, you can see down the center of the nail, did not level itself out nicely like the other four colors did. That one was left just a little bit streaky. But we made it work. So we're going to top coat these two nails now. I think this has turned out really super cute. Really super cute. Put you a nice glossy top coat on your nails. Check out SheModern.com. They're coming out with some new products. She's came out in the month of April so far with, as far as I know, with stamping polishes. I know there's the black and the white and possibly a few more colors. I forgot who bought them. Somebody ordered them. I can't remember right now who it was. I can't remember. Oopsie. So I am going to easily stick this in the lamp for a flash cure. I did put a black and white bow on the nail. I'm also going to do that on the index finger. Yes, I am. And I want to slide around. So that's why I'm going to stick these in for a flash cure. I'm holding my hand in there to hold the light on so I don't have to fiddle. Whoopsie, shoot. And I knocked it over. see with the flash cure that helps it. So we're going to go in for a full cure now, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp, the cooker, the oven. My mani is complete, finito, and I think it turned out really well. Got a flower on the side of the lime green nail. 2 flowers on each index of the ring finger. And some bling. Gotta have the bling, right ladies? Well, leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this? I think it turned out rather cute. Nice spring nail art, nice spring colors. That's why I use the jelly water paints. I think these turned out really well. Stay tuned over the next few months here for some products that SheModern is releasing, as well as their own videos. So far to date, I know it's just the stamping polishes and I haven't ordered them yet. I was kind of waiting, but we shall see. Have yourselves a blessed day. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Now you can have a blessed day. And thank you.